Dear friends, this is Srinivasan who is having more than 40 years experience in this construction industry, trying to present you a small presentation on Microsoft project tutorial. This is the concluding part. Earlier to this presentation, I have presented you 4 parts. Kindly watch all the 5 parts so that you can learn how to operate a Microsoft project. This presentation is going to be a bit longer as I try to close it off by today itself. It's a civil conclave presentation. Now we are going to learn about Marcos and switches. If you go to the view, you will find a Marcos button. Click on the view and then record the Marco. Here you can see that the Marco names and enter shortcut to the Marcos. Marcos name is this, shortcut is key is here and enter it. Here we are recording Marcos on filter 3, which is known as responsibility equal to supervisor. That you can see the earlier presentations, you will understand how it has been happened. After apply filter 3, here only these activities shown having the responsibility of the supervisor will appear. See, view Marcos, stop recording. Okay. Cleaning the filter which applied during recording Marcos. When you are recording the Marcos, you clear the filter. Okay. Here view Marcos. In the view Marcos, you will see that all the Marcos has been appearing it. Okay. This is the things. You have to understand how this has been happening. You have to understand the earlier presentations. Here you can click on the edit button. When you go to the Marcos, this has been appearing. Click the edit so that you can edit whatever you want to do it. Now insert uniform. If you go to the insert column, there comes a user form. So you had these things that will be coming around. See, you already understand what is this. Copy these 3 lines. Here, if you see the properties user form, you will find a captain. That's the user form. We enter there. Click on this button. So user forms will be started applying it. Now in the here you enter supervisors. Okay, that is a code. If you had a code, you will get a supervisors. Okay. Now new captain is supervisor. Now the captain has been started appearing as a supervisor. Go to the run column, run user form. In this user form, you paste these line codes which we already copied from the earlier. Now the supervisor switch has been started appearing it. When we run the code, click on the supervisor switch. Okay. This page after clicking the switch. Okay. This is the page which will be appearing after clicking the switch. Resource pool. There are 3 resources which enter in the resources sheet. What we call how to create a resources pool. View resources sheet, save as a resources pool. We add see view, resource pool, share resources. Here you can see that when you say the share pool, you will get a resources. Take a new project, then enter resource pool in the project. See here the mark share resources. Here you mark this resources box, click to apply so that it will start applying it. View resources sheet. Okay, here in the view go, you get a resources sheet. Resources pool is come in a new project as the resource sheet, which can be used for a resources allocation. In the activities of a new projects. Okay, resource sheet take from the resource pool. From the resource pool you can see that resources name and you can add it multi project. Here take a new file, save as multiple projects, it gets saved. Here again go to the project column, you click on a sub project, so this is a new project will be start applying. Here you already saved it as a project 1. Okay, project 1 is selected and then insert it so that this project will be submerged with the earlier what we are working on it. Here we enter project 1, project 2, so multiple projects has been started applying it, so you can understand where all the things, how it has been going around. Other features of MS project: making activity B of a project 1 procedure for project as finished to finish. Here you can see from project finish off to start off. So here you can say that link, so from this project it will be finished to start and everything you can automatically do it. Again, finish to finish, retro finish HP. Here activities having procedures 1 of the other projects. Okay, here you go to the project, then right click, select customize ribbon. Here you can see the customize ribbon, customize the ribbon. Once you customize the ribbon, these tables will be appearing it. Here there is a new tab, click on the new tab. Once you click on the new tab, you can see this is the group has been coming down. Here we add organizer and background color in a new tab. Background color, you go to the organizer, you can see the background color. Organizer is added in a new tab. Click on the new tab, put out in the organizers. In the organizers, fillers, you go to the fillers. Okay, here is start construction, click here, start cost to copy to global Microsoft project. Once you put it up, it will come down, it will compare the cost to the various international projects. Save the project file as a project template. Okay, use drop down to change projects as a project template. Here you can save as a type, you click on and you can get it a project template, save as. Earned value cost, change it to auto schedule. Okay, which has been, I already explained it. File, option schedule, change to auto schedule. Okay, always unmark this box. Actual costs are always calculated by project. Please unmark this project. Okay, and box. Here you can see project information. Go to the project, get it the project information. Here status date, you can put it up, everything. Insert the status days on which you want to check earned value. What is the value of the project which has been earned, go to the status, insert the status date and enter the status date from your project toast. It will show you the earned value. here set baseline, click on the set the baseline. So this is your baseline which has been coming down. From here it will do every calculations. See, you go to the more tables, earned value, select annually cost, then click to apply. Okay, for this you have to go to the view tables, more table, and value condition. So here you are coming down on the day what is the project is earned. Select field, duration, select duration, then select field, cost plus apply. Insert a new column duration, rename it as a formula. Click on it to apply. See, this is the forecast of the duration project which we are having already. Actual cost that project used in the project. Here the budgeted cost, this is the actual cost which we use it. This is the budgeted cost. Okay, now you see the work complete still status date. That is the earned value will be start appearing it. Okay, report. Click update project. There you select it, then this overview, current and all these things apply. From here you go to the project reports overview, then click on it. It will start project review. Select update, select project summary, click on to the select. Here it will be appearing. Here your project summary, you have click on it, it is the project summary.